In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an email marketing campaign in AWeber, a popular email marketing software. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start, what steps to follow, and what to avoid for the best results. Plus, stick around because I'll also share a better alternative for your email marketing goals that might offer you more flexibility and features. Let's dive right in. First thing you need to do is log into AWeber and go to your dashboard. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial and check out their features before committing. Once you're logged in, you'll see options to create your email list, which is where all your subscribers will go. Next thing, create your list. This is where you'll define who you're sending emails to. Click on Create a List, fill in the details like the list name, company information, and the from email address. AWeber does give you a default template here, but I recommend customizing your email address and list details right from the start. It's important to be clear about who your audience is and why they're getting emails from you. The third thing, start building your email template. AWeber offers a variety of templates to choose from. They're decent, but a little limited if you want fully customized designs. You can either use one of their pre-made templates or create your own from scratch using their drag and drop editor. Make sure your email looks good on both desktop and mobile, especially because AWeber doesn't have as many responsive design options as other platforms. Now, let's get into creating your email campaign. To do this, click on the Messages tab and then Create a Message. You'll be presented with a few options for email types: plain text, HTML, or drag and drop. If you're looking for speed and ease, go for the drag and drop editor. However, if you're aiming for more personalized, high-quality designs, you may want to consider using a competitor that offers more advanced templates. After you've designed your email, it's time to automate. AWeber's automation features are simple to set up, but can feel a bit basic if you're looking for advanced workflow automation. You'll need to go to the Campaigns tab, click Create a Campaign, and follow the step-by-step process to trigger emails based on specific actions. It's great for a simple follow-up series, but not the most flexible option if you're looking for highly advanced automation. The fifth thing to consider is testing your emails before sending them out. AWeber allows you to preview your email, send test versions, and check how they'll look across different devices. This step is critical because if your email looks off, you'll lose subscribers before you even start. Take the time to ensure everything is set up perfectly. Next, make sure you track the performance. AWeber gives you basic analytics on open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribes. However, if you're looking for more detailed reports and segmentation, some other platforms might offer better insights. Now, here's the twist. While AWeber is a solid choice, if you're serious about growing your email marketing campaigns with more flexibility, better design options, and automation features, you should consider alternatives. There are platforms out there that offer much more when it comes to tracking, testing, and scaling your emails for growth. Before I wrap up, let me give you an exclusive offer. If you sign up through the link in the description, you'll get access to AWeber's extended free trial and exclusive benefits. But remember, I also have an amazing alternative that offers better automation, more advanced features, and even a free trial. So, click the link in the description, check out the trial, and see which platform fits your email marketing goals best. And don't forget to explore those alternatives that might actually save you time and make your campaigns more effective in the long run. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!